it's my first day back fishing. Really excited to be out here. Got one guy over there. Haven't seen anybody else. It's kind of like dead over here, even in the other part of the lake. Oh yeah, it's a little dry, you know, no nibbles, no anything. I mean, hopefully it's warm enough, you know, hopefully they'll wake up a little bit. I don't know. I will keep you guys posted. All right.